Welcome to Dheya Prakashan Academy Maharashtra, and I am your teacher Smitha. We are learning for Standard 3rd and topic name is Passage. Now, see students, we are starting the lecture. Okay, see over here. See, what is our passage name? Sorry, topic name, that is passage. Okay, you have to read the passage carefully. Passage means what? A paragraph. Okay, everyone knows what is the paragraph? Yes, a passage means what? This kind of a brief description is known as passage. And always, I will tell you one thing: how to identify the passage. See, when passage starts, what means it have some apostrophe s over here. See, I will show you type of passage. Okay, sample passage for you, students. That, see, here is an apostrophe, right? And this have a little bit distance also, and then the passage start. Everywhere you can see over here this and this, right? Now see, we will know this in detail. See now, see, what is passage? Okay, a passage is a snippet of writing from a bigger text. It can be as short as one line, be as short as a one line or a few paragraph, right? And it might tell a story. That is what? Narrative. Describe something. Okay, describe something means what? If you take a topic name like a watch, it will describe you in a detail. Okay, see, that is descriptive, means in a detailing. Okay, you will get a basic detail or from to end detail in that paragraph. Means what? That is a descriptive and gives facts or explain. That is what? Exploratory. Okay, that is what? Exploratory. Now, why this is an important? Passages are often used to practice reading and answering questions. Why it is useful? You can practice it and reading and answering questions like MCQ. MCQ means what? You have a one question over here. Okay, this is a question, and what under that there are option 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have to pick the right one. This is what? This is an MCQ. Why it is important? Why this is MCQ is important? Because that gives you a detailed knowledge, right? Means you cannot get the confused. Means you will have to pick a right answer. Now see, next we will take about types of passage. How many types are there? There are three types. How many types? 1, 2, 3. Three types, right? So first is narrative. Narrative means what? A little story. Means what? A little story with characters and event. Descriptive means what? Shows what something looks, sound and feels like. Descriptive means what? There is some emotion, they are expressing something. Means what? They are telling something, they are giving the knowledge of it. Means what? Descriptive. Understood? Descriptive as an also there is something looks and sound and feel. Feel is an emotion. Looks means have to see, and sound means voice, audio, right? Exploratory means what? Third point is exploratory facts or information clearly. Means what? Telling the information clearly and explain facts. like which say what we can say like a fun fact or a tips. Okay, that is what they are exploring, right? Exploring is exploratory. Okay, this is what will teach you students. Okay, this helps kids learn to read. Okay, now why this is useful? You can learn to read, understand, and answer the question about text. Means what? If you can read, you will automatically you will understand, right? And then what happens? You can answer the question about the text. Very simple, right? Now see, another is sample examples for standard 3. Now see students, pay attention here. We have started with the passage and our first passage is related to narrative passage. That is what? Ria found a tiny frog in the garden. The frog was bright green and hopped on her hand. Hooked on to her hand. Ria gently put it back near the pond. Means what? Ria is a girl. Okay. Where she is sitting into garden. And what she find? She find a tiny frog. Frog means what? Beduk. Barobar. Okay. What happened? Ria was sitting in a garden. Okay. What we understand? Imagine. You just have to imagine what I am telling. Okay. Imagine when a girl name is Ria. Okay. And she is in a garden. And what she find? She find a tiny frog. Right? It's a frog, not frog. It's a frog. 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 And what happened? The frog was bright green and open on to her hand. Means what that frog did? That frog jumped on her hand. That frog color was a dark green or bright green. Bright green means also as a dark green. See, I will show you here a dark green color. See, this is a dark green color. See, if I pick over here, if I do something like that with this color, this is a dark green color. Okay, what happened? What that frog did? That frog jumped on her hand. For why he jumped? Because the frog is always want to jump. Have you seen the frog jumping around? Yes, when you see in the winter, it's a rainy season. Okay, now see students, what happened? The frog jumped into her hand, and the word we learned today, that is hopped. Hopped means to jump. Okay, and Ria gently put it back. Gently means what? Softly. Means picked her softly and put it down. Where she put? Back near to the pond, near to lake, near to pond. Okay, everyone knows the pond? Tale. Yes, that is pond. Okay, and the second is descriptive. Okay, that is descriptive passage. Now see students, what is we have the passage that is descriptive. The big red apple shone in the sunlight. It felt smooth and cold when touched and smelled sweet and fresh. Means what? There is a big red apple shown in the sunlight. That red apple is into sunlight. Felt smooth and cold when touched. If I touched the apple, what I feel? That apple is cold and smelled sweet and fresh. If I smell that apple, what I feel? That is sweet and fresh. Okay, you can also test this, right? You take an apple, you smelled it, what you will feel? If it is fresh, you can that fragrance is sweet and fresh. But if it's an old apple or something is not good with that, so it will good, not the smell, right? It this is what, this is the brief describe about the apple, right? Now exploratory passage, that is what, exploring something. Beans helps flowers grow by moving pollen from one flower to another. This helps fruit and seeds form. Means what? Exploratory means what? We can understand this from passage. See, beans. Beans means what? Madmashi. Helps flowers grown by moving. See, if you see a flower, see, if you take a flower of, you can say a sunflower, right? If you had, you just imagine a yellow color, dark yellow color sunflower, right? You can see that sunflower have this round shape, right? And this type of petals. I am not very good in a drawing, but I am trying. Okay, this is a sunflower. Understood? See, when you see it, this is here is a black color, right? If it dotted, and these petals are yellow. Okay, now see, these are what? These are pollen. What this part is called? Pollen. And one flower to another means what happened, this, there are so many flowers in the garden, right? You can imagine there is a garden and there are so many sunflower. Now if a honeybee came over here, the honeybee will sit here also, and from another flower also. So what happened to his leg? The pollen are stick. So what happened? When she moved out to the another flower, from this to pollen are transferred to this flower. That what happened? And this helps fruits and seed form. Form means to get, right? What happened? You know, sunflower beans also are there in black in color, right? That's why I've taken this example. Now understood? Yes. Now we will move to a next point, that is MCQ, means multiple choice question. So what is our question? What did Ria do with the frog? See now, listen carefully what I am asking. See, what did Ria do with the frog? What she did? She kept it in a jar. She left it go near the pond. She fed it cookies. She washed it without touching. What she did? Students, pay attention over here. Now see what is the question. Our question is, what did Ria do with the frog? Now if you cannot recollect the answer, you go back. Here is our passage. See, I will show you how to find the answer from it. Okay. Now just a second, let me clear it first and I will teach you. Okay. Now pay attention over here. Everyone look over here. What I am telling. See. What is the question? What did Ria do with the frog? Everyone know what did Ria do? Put it gently back near to the pond. So, do we have this option? Yes, we do. The option is she let it go near the pond. What she did? Let it go near the pond. Okay. Now, next MCQ about the descriptive passage. So, how did the apple feel? So, how did the apple feel? See, now we will go back again. Where is our passage, students? Our passage is this regarding to apple. So how it's feel? Cold. When touched, it smells sweet and fresh. Right? So we have to find the answer related to that. So what is that? Smooth and cold. Now you understand, right? If I tell you some word and you can find the similar also. Understood? So this way you have to find the correct answer. Now see what our options are given to us. We will also identify that and try to remove. Okay. Rough and warm, sticky and soft, sour and dry. See, if apple is not fresh, how we will feel? That will be sour and dry. But apple was fresh. So how you will feel that? Smooth and cold. Okay, now next MCQ, that is about the exploratory passage. What does beans do? What does beans do? What is it they are doing? They move pollen between flowers. They build nest. They eat apples. They swim in pond. What they do? Yes, they move pollen between flowers. Okay, so what we will do? We will pick this answer. Now, summary for third standard students. A passage is a small piece of text used to read and learn from. It can tell us a story, descriptive something, or explain an idea or fact. You can find passages in your English book followed by questions and test understanding. Means you have to do this activity. Okay, what activity you have to do? Find passages in English book. Okay, and follow by the test understanding. Now see another passage. The Lost Puppy. What is the passage name? The Lost Puppy. Myra walked home from school. Now see, everyone can see this passage. I am reading over here. See, Myra walked home from school when she heard a soft whimmer under a tree. She found a small puppy with big sad eyes. It had no color and looked lost. Myra gently picked it up and carried it home. She gives it warm milk and wrapped in a soft towel. The puppy wagged its tail. Myra put up posters in her neighborhood and soon heard from a family who lost their pup. They were very happy when Myra returned the puppy safely. What we understand from this passage, student? See over here now. See, there is a one girl named with Myra. What she find? She find a little cute puppy. What she did? She picked it that puppy and take it home. And after that, what she do? She fed a warm milk to the puppy. Okay, and wrapped in a soft towel. And what did puppy do? He waved his tail and slept. And after that, he asked two neighbors if anyone has lost their puppy. Then what happened? The some neighbors are arrived. They were there, and they take the puppy safely back. Okay, understood. Now see, students, I will take the next page. See, this is for MCQ part, a multiple choice question. Now see, where did Myra find the puppy? Where she find? See, again we will go to the passage. Now see, where she find? Under a tree. Okay. Now we will return to the our MCQ. See, do we have that option? In a car, under a tree, at school, on a bench. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is under a tree. Okay, now what we will do? We will pick this answer under a tree. Where she find? Under a tree. What was wrong with the puppy? See, what happened? The puppy was lost. And what? She found a small puppy with a big sad eyes and looked lost. See, we have this. Now we will go to the our question. See, what was wrong with the puppy? It was dirty. It looked lost. It looked lost. It was eating. What happened? It was looked lost. Okay. Now next, what did Myra give the puppy first? A toy, a warm milk, a bath, a biscuit. Now see, if you can't find the answer, why I am going back? Because you have to find the answer this way. I am helping you how to find the answer. That's why I am taking this passage again and again in front of you guys. So you have to read and you have to find. See. And she gave it warm milk. Okay. See over here. A toy? No. A warm milk, a bath, a biscuit. What she did? She gave a warm milk. We will pick this answer. Now, what did Myra use to warm the puppy? What she used? See over here. Wrapped into a soft towel. It's not towel, it's towel. Right? You have to pronounce this word as a towel, not towel. This is a towel. See, what did Myra use to warm a puppy? That is a towel. Okay. Now, what did the puppy do after it ate? Ate is what? See, this is a past tense of eat. See over here. The puppy wagged its tail. What was that? It wagged its tail. Right? Now see, how did Myra try to find the puppy owner? She asked neighbor, she made posters, she called the police, she put it online. If you are on a place of Myra, what you will do, guys? You will ask neighbor first, right? Or you can make a poster also, a small poster to ask the puppy where the puppy is. But what did the Myra did? She made a poster. So what we will pick this answer. If you want to reconfirm, you will go back. See. Neighborhood and so hard family where Myra put up posters. Put up posters. Okay. This way you have to find the answer. Next. How eventually came from the puppy. A stranger, a family who lost it, the school principal, the vertiginian. Means what? A stranger, as stranger. So what is the word? A family who lost it. What feeling did the family show? Anger, sadness, excitement, or happiness? Answer is happiness. Okay. Now see, what did Myra not do? Feed the puppy, wrap in the towel, keep it forever, find its owner. What she did? She returns the puppy, right? So she did not do that action. So she keep it forever is the right answer. She find the owner of puppy and return that puppy them back. So answer is keep it forever. Okay, what is the main idea of the passage? So, what is the main idea? What is related that the puppy was lost? A lost puppy was safely returned, or puppies are cute. Is this topic is related to puppies are cute, or Myra likes animal, or Myra made poster? No, it is something a lost puppy was safely returned. It is the answer. Now thank you so much, students, and keep practicing about the passages and try to find the answer. Okay, thank you.